A jury has determined the fate of the $1 billion CMP power line in court today, voting 9-0 in favor of CMP, which gives them the constitutional right to resume work.
We're really excited because clean energy won today. Central Maine Power followed the rules in good faith.
In the case of NECIC Transmission versus Maine Bureau of Parks and Land, plaintiffs CMP and its parent companies, Avangrid and Iberdrola, who control NECIC, challenged a law established by a 2021 referendum passed by Maine voters, banning the completion and operation of the project. State lawyers argued that the project was expedited while referendum signatures were still being collected, while NECIC lawyers argued that they had a contractual obligation to work on the project as quickly as possible, to which the state argued the expedition was an effort to gain vested rights before the referendum could wipe out the project. CMP releasing this statement hours after today's verdict, saying in part, "Even after repeated delays and the costs caused by the change in law, the NECIC project remains the best way to bring low-cost renewable energy to Maine and New England." The president of Northeast Clean Energy Council, an association of businesses that support the corridor, had this to say.
We should celebrate for those of us who want to collectively understand the importance of this or to achieve climate action and to unlock the economic benefits. We should also step back and say, okay, what do we learn from this? It would be a mistake and failure not to say, okay, who did we bring along for this ride? Who did we leave behind? Yeah, happy, but a lot of work to do. It still shows we have a lot of work to do to gain that trust and credibility.
The group Our Power opposes the corridor, releasing this statement, saying in part, quote, "It is clear that Central Maine Power disregards the wishes of Maine voters. That's why we need Pine Tree Power, so we have a power company that is run by Mainers for Mainers. They're asking Mainers to vote yes in the coming election for a consumer-owned power called Pine Tree Power." Today's jury decision will be appealed to the State Supreme Judicial Court for the final say. Reporting in Portland, I'm Talia Clark for Maine's Total Coverage.